The Fangtian FT-040 is folding n95 style. CDC NIOSH approval for at least 95% filtration of microparticles. Reliable filter layer, lighter weight. Make masks safe and suitable for long-term wear. Can get a good filtration effects. The size is a bit bigger and with 3D cutting to cover a larger area. So it can get a protective effect similar to a cup mask. Laser welding of the headband. There are no staple holes on the surface, so can get a better sealing effect. The edge of the mask is neat and reliable. And special ear edge design on the mask will not stretch the mask to be deformed even pulled by force. So the whole mask still can stick to your face tightly. Strong metal strips provide better shaping to fit your face. Laser welding headband is wide and firm. And we can pull it long as you can. Its folding design and light for easy wearing. Fangtian provide quality and comfortable N95 masks. N95 in stock has a licensing relationship with Fangtian. Choose the best products for you. Guarantee they are genuine with primary source and fresh date. And also can do bulk wholesale, OEM logo printing and personalized service.